Ready to unlock your creative potential? Join us at D4D Studios for our Textile Manipulation Workshop. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned crafter, this hands-on class will teach you exciting techniques like pleating, smocking, appliqué, and much more to transform simple fabrics into extraordinary designs. With all materials provided, you'll have everything you need to bring your ideas to life. Walk away with your own unique textile creation and new skills you can use again and again. Sign up today. Spaces are filling fast. D4D Studio